Alright, so I'm in the mix of it now. I'm not underneath where the tornado is supposed to be. There's a train that's blocking my way that way. So I'm taking this route here, see if I can't bypass this train. However, you can see it's got pretty dark out. I'm sorry, I'm trying to drive, hold this phone, and smoke a cigarette at the same time and chase this storm. But this is the wall cloud. This is where the tornado is supposed to be, a little further on down the line. There's the train. Now here's a bridge. I can go up underneath. I'm going to go up underneath that bridge, and I'm going to bypass the train, and there it goes. The train is gone now, so I could have just stopped at the light. Anyhow, I'll touch back with you guys.